Wagwan people, welcome, welcome. Today we want to speak about a force you need to watch. Her name is Shericka Jackson. She's been heating up the tracks with some history making running. Recently, she was in the news for clocking 21.96 seconds to win Women's 200 at Gyulai Memorial. That's the Continental Tour goal. She is now the first woman to defeat Shaunae Miller in 200 meters since 2017. 2017, I'm not sure why I said 7 then the T. But yeah, Shani actually finished second in 2020, 22.15 seconds. Now let's learn something about Shericka Jackson. Where is she from, right? A little bit about this phenomenal runner. Now, Shericka Jackson, she was actually born on the 16th of July, 1994. So her birthday is coming up. Remember to big her up on her birthday. She is a Jamaican sprinter. She specializes in the 400 meter. She won bronze medals at the 2016 Olympics, 2015 World Championships, and 2019 World Championships in the event. At the same competitions, Jackson added medals in the 4x400 meters relays, taking a silver, a gold, and a bronze, respectively. She also earned a gold medal in the 4x100 meter relay at the 2019 World Championships. Now, for the 2021 season, Jackson made the switch to 100 meters and 200 meters. I'd be a hotness ago, you see? So she achieved sub 10.8 seconds and sub 22 seconds personal best respectively at the Jamaican Olympic trials in Kingston. Having 400 meters best below 49.5 seconds, she is one of the few women to reach such marks at those events, right? That means up, but come like she should have made the switch a long time though. But nothing before its time. Since 2018, there I do it again. Since 2008, Shericka has been winning gold medals in different age categories at the Carifta Games and then the CACAC Junior Championships. She placed in the 200 meters finals of the 2010 Youth Olympics, 2011 World Youth Championships, third place, and the 2012 World Junior Championships. Her greater progress in the 400 meters came at the age of 21 in 2015, when she first went sub 51 seconds in June and finally sub 50 seconds in August. So that's a little bit about her. Of course, she's representing Jamaica this year at 2021's Tokyo Olympics in the events 100 meter, 200 meter. So we can't wait to see her. She will definitely represent. It's gonna be so hot, especially with her recent win. I mean, we're on the edge of our seats. It's Jamaicans, never against Jamaicans, because it's a team effort. When one win, all win. So let's look out for all of that, and do remember to stay tuned for more. Have a blessed one, and stay safe, stay blessed. Remember to check out our online store. Support creatives and hardworking Jamaicans, because with your support, we continue. All right, bless up. Later.